Up first this evening, Prime Minister Andrew Holness is promising changes to the protocols for making reports on missing people. Mr. Holness today visited the family of 20-year-old Kenise Jackson, who was found dead Friday. She'd been missing from Wednesday. Shamela Pullen reports.
It's arguably a parent's worst nightmare to receive news that their child has been brutally murdered. In the case of Eunice Chambers, her only child, Kenise Jackson, suffered that fate. All she has left of her daughter are pictures. The body of the 20-year-old accounting clerk was found Friday in bushes off the Dyke Road in Portmore, St. Catherine.
Right now, my life just fall apart in front of me. I don't know when it is going to come back. It's just the both of us living here right now. Just me and her, just the two of us. And now she's gone. She's never coming back. And
the police have a suspect in custody. It's welcoming news for the grieving mother.
I really want that person in custody right now, who I think is responsible to get a long sentence. I hope he rots in jail.
She was also assured by Prime Minister Andrew Holness that the investigation is far advanced.
We are certain that we should be able to bring this perpetrator to the doors of justice for justice to be served. The Jamaican people is rightly outraged, and that outrage should continue. Criminals should not feel that they can commit acts and the country is not repulsed. It is, in fact, the lack of this kind of repulsion and outrage which has emboldened criminals. And they're in our midst. We know them.
An assurance, too, that changes are coming relating to how missing reports are treated by the police. The matter was again raised when the family attempted to report Kenise missing.
I would take the opportunity to say that the police have revised the protocols as it relates to investigating missing persons. Before, there was the wait of 24 hours. That has changed. Almost a year now, that protocol has changed. So the police will immediately take a statement and do an assessment of the statement, and then that will determine whether or not they launch an immediate investigation. In this case, we understand the concerns of the family, and we are investigating whether or not the police followed their protocol.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.